BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes predicts Bitcoin to hit $250,000 if U.S. Fed pivots to QE. Bitcoin, BitMEX, Federal Reserve. The interplay between monetary policy and digital assets continues to strengthen as Bitcoin's market behavior increasingly mirrors reactions to central bank liquidity decisions. While traditional markets respond predictably to Federal Reserve actions, cryptocurrency markets amplify these responses, potentially creating unprecedented price action during policy shifts. Last updated, April 2, 2025. Author, Jimmy Aki. Author, Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated, April 2, 2025 at 21:45 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Arthur Hayes predicts Bitcoin's price will rise if the U.S. Fed moves to quantitative easing. Bitcoin's future depends on the Fed's bond buying and rate changes. Most traders remain cautious, predicting a smaller price increase for Bitcoin. BitMEX co-founder and Maelstrom CIO Arthur Hayes has forecasted a major Bitcoin rally. He believes the cryptocurrency could reach $250,000 by the end of 2025 if the U.S. Federal Reserve pivots to quantitative easing, QE. Hayes shared his analysis in an April 1 Substack post titled The BBC, stating that Bitcoin's market behavior is largely influenced by expectations surrounding fiat liquidity. Hayes believes Bitcoin's future hinges on Federal Reserve policy shift. Arthur Hayes wrote in the Substack post, "If my analysis of the Fed's major pivot from QT to QE for Treasuries is correct, then Bitcoin hit a local low of $76,500 last month, and now we begin the ascent to $250,000 by year-end." He added that if forced to choose between Bitcoin hitting $76,500 or $110,000 first, he would bet on the latter, drawing a parallel to gold's performance under similar economic conditions. On April 1, the Fed reduced its Treasury runoff cap from $25 billion to $5 billion per month while keeping the mortgage-backed securities, MBS, runoff steady at $35 billion. Fed Chair Jerome Powell disclosed in a February monetary policy report that excess MBS principal payments may be reinvested into Treasuries, effectively maintaining the balance sheet size. Arthur Hayes believes the excess amounts from the capital injection could trigger a Bitcoin surge. Mathematically, that keeps the Fed balance sheet constant. However, that is Treasury QE. Bitcoin will scream higher once this is formally announced, he said. Arthur Hayes's previous bullish catalyst and industry experts' Bitcoin prediction. Arthur Hayes had previously highlighted other bullish catalysts, including the potential return of the supplementary leverage ratio, SLR, exemption, which would enable banks to exclude treasuries and Fed deposits from their leverage calculations. This measure, originally introduced in 2020, allowed banks to expand lending and investment, injecting liquidity into markets. Other analysts have echoed Hayes' bullish sentiment. Venture capitalist Tim Draper recently reaffirmed his long-standing prediction that Bitcoin will attain a price of $250,000 per coin by the end of 2025, citing post-halving scarcity and increasing institutional demand as key drivers. Additionally, market analyst Plan B believes Bitcoin will significantly outperform gold this cycle, arguing that BTC's scarcity is already twice that of gold. His model estimates a price range of $250,000 to $1 million, with $300,000 being a conservative projection. Market sentiment remains divided. While Hayes' forecast aligns with the broader bullish sentiment among crypto advocates, market bets remain cautious. Data from Polymarket, a prediction platform, shows that only 9% of traders are betting on Bitcoin reaching $250,000 by the end of 2025, while 60% expect it to peak at $110,000. Bitcoin's recent market performance has been turbulent, with the cryptocurrency dropping 23% over the past month to trade around $84,640. BTC/USD chart/source. CoinMarketCap. Despite short-term struggles, institutional buyers appear to be increasing, with on-chain metrics revealing that Bitcoin whales have increased their positions. Bitcoin ETFs also had a respite by recording 2 consecutive weeks of inflow. Historical patterns suggest that Bitcoin could position itself for a breakout if it bottoms alongside whale accumulation. As the financial world closely watches the Federal Reserve's next moves, Bitcoin's price movement now hinges on monetary policy decisions that could shape its future path. Hayes' bold prediction represents more than just a price target. It signals cryptocurrencies' growing integration with traditional financial systems. While many market participants doubt such extreme price jumps will materialize, several factors will shape Bitcoin's fate. Central bank decisions, growing institutional interest, and Bitcoin's core metrics will together decide if the cryptocurrency reaches the high values its supporters predict. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Are there any other predictions for the price of Bitcoin in 2025? Some experts have made big predictions for Bitcoin. Kiyosaki thinks Bitcoin will hit $250,000 in 2025. Vanex Siegel expects it to reach $180,000. How do Federal Reserve decisions affect Bitcoin and other risk assets? Fed choices matter for Bitcoin. When rates go up, fewer people buy crypto. Lower rates make investors take more risks. The Fed's words can change how people feel about Bitcoin fast. How could Trump's tariff policies and potential recession impact Bitcoin's price? Tariffs can hurt Bitcoin at first. A recession might make more people buy Bitcoin as a safe place for money. Trade fights often weaken the dollar, which helps Bitcoin prices. Is it possible for Bitcoin to fall below $70,000 in 2025? Bitcoin could drop below $70,000. Nobody knows for sure. It already fell under $76,000 recently when ETFs were sold off and traders got liquidated. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Will XRP finally break out of this range? Key levels every trader needs to watch crypto prices in flux ahead of Trump's Liberation Day. Tariffs. BlackRock CEO warns U.S. fiscal instability could elevate Bitcoin's global role. Bitcoin news. Trump family to launch new Bitcoin mining venture with Hut 8. 1 day ago. By Tanzil Akhtar. Bitcoin news. Alabama senator proposes bill allowing Americans to invest retirement funds in crypto. 1 day ago. By Suja Sundararajan. Features. Liberation Day. How will Bitcoin react to Trump's tariffs? 9 hours ago. By Connor Sefton. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. March 12, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto presales to invest in now upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.